gapping it, gapping this. Yep. So I'm back down at the Kaimanawa Mountains, and a lot better weather than we had last time too. So I'm really looking forward to a 2-night, 3-day loop in the Waipakihi Valley area. So I just left the Umukarikari car park, and I'm currently climbing all the way up to the bush line to the Umukarikari Range. So it's just a bit of a uphill slog so far. Once I get onto the bush line though, can't wait to be on the tops and then following the tops all the way down to Waipakihi Hut where I'm staying tonight. Here we go, out of the bush. Look at that. That's got to be the Urchin tops over there. And then those big ones, that's got to be the middle range over there. But the views are only going to get better, so we'll keep heading up. Literally 10 metres up and you get that. Mt Urchin, Tongariro National Park. So I've just reached the track intersection where from this Umukarikari track, if you want, you can go over these other tops to get back onto the Urchin tops over there. But me, I'm just continuing straight on along the Umukarikaris towards Waipakihi Hut. Now we're looking down into the Waipakihi River valley. I'm heading alongside it now, upstream. Hut's over there. Empty hut. No one here. So I had a good chilled out night at the hut, had it to myself, which I thought was pretty unexpected for a Saturday night with such good weather this weekend, but oh well, that was good. So today I'm heading down the Waipakihi River. There's no markers, you just find your way along the river, use that as your guide, and I'll be following that all the way till I get to the dock track, which leads up to Urchin again, and I'll be looking for a campsite somewhere along the river today. This river is definitely delivering. Just about thigh deep. Just cruising through here, but just feels like a dream. Insane. That's where I've come. The river's really widened up now. And I think those tops up there, probably getting near around the Urchin tops. This is my destination. One more crossing, and then I'll be camping at the bottom of the Urchin track. So I got to my camping spot and it's only 3 PM, so really I could easily head out and get back to the road tonight. However, Eli was real keen to come on this trip, but he was only available today and tomorrow. So rumour has it he might be coming up over Urchin down to this campsite just to spend a night. Plus it's so nice, so still going to set up and be funny if we see Eli.
Kia ora team, Eli here. Jesse's probably told you the whole story already, but I've just driven up from Palmerston North. I'm starting up the Urchin Trig track from Kaimanawa Road. So I'm heading up and over to the Waipakihi River flats to meet Jesse. He started his walk yesterday and I've started mine about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Be good to meet up with him and hear about his awesome adventure yesterday. Keep you guys updated along the way. I've just come across the other side of this little ridge here and got my first full view of the Waipakihi Valley and river winding its way down. Surreal, absolutely surreal.
Here he is, he actually came. So we've just started climbing out of the river valley. Just a pretty vertical climb back up onto the tops. And once we get up onto those tops, we'll be able to get to the Mt Urchin trig. So should be some good views again up there, and then just descending back down to the car park. And I'm done. Urchin trig. Clouds starting to roll in, and the weather is supposed to turn bad this afternoon, so this is probably the start of it. Perfect timing, perfect trip.